Uhoro wegi utongoria wa kaunti ya Murang'a. Senator wa kaunti ya Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata uria rahuranira gituro kia ugavana wa kaunti ya Murang'a na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA ndanahetũkio ni commission ya IEBC gukirikana ati uria athurite ta munini wake Ndagĩtarĩ Winnie Mwangi ndatigire wira thiini wa University ya Nairobi kuria athomithagia ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire kũringana na watho. Itua rĩrĩ rĩkinyanĩirio ni afitha munene wa IEBC kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a Saumu Chirchir.
Thutha wa kwaga kuhitukio ni commission ya ithurano ya IEBC, Seneta Kang'ata uria uma hamwe na wakiri wake Gacie Mwanza ni aregana na itua riu akiuga ng'ethanĩri yake nĩo mandĩkĩire commission ya IEBC na ĩrĩa ya kũhũrana na ungumania EACC marũa nĩguo ndakae kuhitukio.
Nĩ ũru mũno andũ gũcemanagia kamũcemanio atĩ magethaga mawakiri handũ mecirie maũndũ ma gũthiĩ kũiguithia raia ya Murang'a nĩ kũmonithia. Nĩ ũru mũno andũ gũikara kwenjera mutumia ngatha ta Dr. Winnie.
So the fact that she doesn't have the letter and the fact that we have not been given a copy of the letter clearly testifies to what we are saying. There is a dirty tactic mainly being applied by the opponents, but we shall overcome it because there is room to do so.
Turi andu ethical, turi andu professional, ni tui uria watho ugaga na tu operataga within the legal framework.
Kang'ata riu mena munini wake maheo nginya muthenya wa rucio niguo matware wira wa ati Ndagĩtarĩ Winnie ni atigire wira ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩa rĩagĩrĩire. Handũ-inĩ hake Ndagĩtarĩ Winnie erĩte arũmĩrĩri ake matikae kũgĩa na wagagu, akiuga nĩ ekũhĩtũkio na kũria thũ ciao cia kĩũteti gũtabania kambĩini itarĩ cia kũhakana ndoro.
Tũkwĩra andũ a Murang'a mũtikage na wasiwasi, nĩ mũratuona haha ithuĩ twĩna hinya tondũ twĩna documents iria ciagĩrĩire. Nacio detractors yaitu tumere tigaga ni kushughulika na maundu maria matari important kana maria matari bata maundu-inĩ ma gwaka kanjo itu ya Murang'a.
Ona matuĩka atĩa Ngai nĩ akũhotithia na nĩ tũkũhĩtũka na tũkorwo
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kĩnuthia.
Kugena kuo mwojeria na muteti thu mathenge wa kiama gia The New Democrats ni athurimetwo na kahĩtũkio ni commission wa kiama gia The New Democrats ni athurimetwo na kahĩtũkio ni commission ya ithurano na mĩhaka IEBC kũhũranĩra gĩturwa kia governor wa kaunti ya Nyeri. Thuo ahĩtũkĩtio thutha wa gũtuĩka maratathi make ma gĩthomo kia degree nĩ magĩrĩru na atĩ athomeire thĩinĩ wa University ya Presbyterian.
I've seen the heart of God coming that today we have been cleared by IEBC to contest the governor's seat of Nyeri County. And we have all the qualification. And I know through God's grace we have achieved, we have conquered. I want to say this today. I've forgiven all my distractors who tried to destroy me not to contest the governor's seat. They went around with their vehicles saying that Duo is not in the ballot, but God has done his work. I'm saying hallelujah because I've seen the heart of God, the magic of God, and God is a living God. And I know at the end, or create more employment as an agent of change, or create more employment by creating industries, by adding value, by creating even more and more businesses for Nyeri people. So God, I say thank you. God, thank you. May God bless all the people of Nyeri for their prayers. Amen.
Kuma utongoria ucio wa kaunti ya Nyeri tũgũtwara nginya kaunti-inĩ ya Marsabit. Minister wa ũgitĩri Ndagĩtarĩ Fred Matiang'i ni acemanĩtie na maabitha a ũgitĩri na atongoria a dini a kaunti ya Marsabit. Mũcemanio ũcio ũtabanĩtio kũrũmĩrĩra ciĩko cia ũhaũku wa ũgitĩri matũũra-inĩ maingĩ ma kaunti ĩyo rĩrĩa thirikari yongereire ihinda rĩa curfew ya kũgiria mũingĩ gũkorwo nja kuma thinacara cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginya thinacara cia rũciinĩ.
Over 200 guns have been collected and over 3,000 bullets have been recovered from this operation. We are hoping that more work in the second month of this operation, because we extended the curfew by another 30 days, more work will be done so that we can recover more guns, because we believe from intelligence and the information we have that there are more guns than the ones that we have collected. And the message we have been passing around to leaders and everyone since morning is that we need to recover more guns. We will review this operation when we have around 3,000 or so guns, because we believe there are still many more guns in wrong hands.
Kogena komunini wa President Dagitari William Ruto ogete agigathurwo ta president ni agatigirira atarithi amahiyo thiini wa kaunti ya Garissa na nginya rugongoro wa bururi ni maguneka no reithia wao na nginya wendia wa mahiyo na nyama na nginya njua. Ruto uria wekinyitie Garissa kigamono-ini kia wonjoria na aikari kaunti yo na thutha ucio ni atafanetie campaign cia kwihurira ndebe thiini wa kaunti yo na gitaru kia rugongoro wa bururi ogete njua cia mahiyo ma areithia no iteithie guthondeka iratu handu ha kugura iratu kuma nje ya bururi undu uria ukuguna bururi na mawira na nginya areithi maguneke na besha.
Ni kwa sababu tunataka tukubaliane na wananchi wa Kenya katika kaunti yao. Priority ile mambo wangetaka ishughulikiwe na serikali yao, mambo yao ya ufugaji. Kenya kwa mfano tunachinja ng'ombe milioni 3 kila mwaka. Kenya nyingi ya hizo ng'ombe ni ya wafugaji, si ni kweli? Lakini wafugaji tuliketi kule Narok wakatuambia ngozi tunapatia umbwa ikule, saa zingine tunazika kwa sababu hatuna mahali ya kuzia ngozi. Ili hali katika Kenya tunaagiza importation ya viatu kama hii mimi nimefaa milioni 22 kila mwaka. 22 pairs of shoes every year. Tunaelewana? Na hii ngozi hakuna tofauti na ile ya ng'ombe yetu.
Tuko na uwezo wa kufanya biashara na mandugu zetu Somalia. Nchi ya Kenya inafanya biashara na Somalia kupitia kwa bahari na kupitia angani. Lakini mpaka ya Somalia na Kenya imefungwa. Kabla ya matatizo Somalia tulikuwa na tulikuwa na Liboi na Hulugo na yote imefungwa. Hapa Garissa wenzetu walikuwa wanaongea juu ya mifugo, juu ya mashamba, na haya yote yanahitaji soko. Na changamoto kubwa hii haitaki pesa, inataka the political goodwill of the government.
Kogena ku thirikari ni yoritio ithondeke mitatara ya mathomo ma athaki mithako itiganite guku bururi-ini akiaria thukuru-ini wa kuhe andu ethĩ mathomo
watoto jinsi ya kutumia pesa yao vizuri ili watakapomaliza shule na waweze kukimbia vizuri, wanaweza kujua jinsi ya kutumia pesa yao vizuri ili tuzuie na watu ambao wanaunda pesa na baadaye wanakuja kuwa maskini. Ni kwa sababu hatuwapei nafasi ya kusoma.
Naona performance yake vile inaendelea. Anaweza kuja na B+, A-, na pia mbio ameweza kukimbia Baringo, akakimbia Kitale.
Riboti igi motaro kuri athaki ni otukurikia nayo mohoro maito ma Matemo magikumamukira una cihanda tha imwe na tha ithatu no mbere ya hau ni tutwara na njira imwe kwa mukahinda gatari harako kiharo-ini kia Nyayo kuri muthenya wa umuthi mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance mararugoria manifesto kana maundu maria mekuhingia kana makahingia magikayukia uhotani hindi ya githurano ya tariki 9 mweri wa kanana. Ndetago muriki wa Mucoki ni na mbere na kunyitana na ithwe tukumenyirie uria bururi uregariura.
Deakin College ino noyo college yemwe tu Kenya ngima ikoragwe specialized na kothi cia beauty and fashion hamwe na hospitality.
Deakin College training beyond the obvious.